We didn't invite this experiment upon us, but it's been one for the past few years. We've changed our lives dramatically. And I'd like to ask you both, and maybe we can start with you, Dr. Eduardo, about what you've learned during these last 2 years that you think could be used to improve public education going ahead.
Well, I think we've learned an incredible amount about technology and how technology can be used, not to expect students to be, in front of a computer all day long, but to support the instructional program in their classroom for smaller, individualized lessons, and also for telehealth. We talk about mental health and how important that is, and it's been stigmatized, but for some reason when you have a counseling session online, we found that many of our parents and students were more willing to participate. So continuing with technology, I always think it's incredibly important that we listen to our parents and student and that community voice. And I think because of this pandemic, we've had an opportunity to really bring in all of our stakeholders and to work together to see how we can improve outcomes for students. And I just think that we also realize that this pandemic didn't impact everybody in the same way. So really looking at everything through a lens of equity and making sure that every single one of our students has access to exactly what they need in order to do better. There are some things that we don't want to go back to the old normal. It's an opportunity for us to look at public education and to make gains. And I think technology and the community involvement is going to make a huge impact on where we head in the future.